In this video, you'll learn how to create a beauty salon, spa, or barbershop website using WordPress and Elementor. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional website tailored to your business needs. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Once you are on the home page, locate and click on the Site section, which is usually displayed prominently in the menu. This will direct you to a page displaying your existing sites or options to create a new one. Next, look for the option labeled Create with AI. This button allows you to use artificial intelligence to help set up your website quickly. Clicking on this will initiate the process of laying the foundations for your new site. After you click on Create with AI, a message will appear stating that the system is laying the foundations for your new site. This step may take a moment as the AI prepares the initial setup based on your specifications. Once this message disappears, you will wait for the AI to load and generate your website. This process could take some time depending on the complexity of the setup and your internet speed. A loading indicator will typically show you the progress. When the AI is finished generating, you will see a prompt that says, make a website as unique as you. This is your cue to start customizing your site according to your preferences. At this point, type in Create Beauty Salon Spa Barbershop Website into the provided text box. This input will help the AI understand your specific requirements for the website's design and functionality. After entering your text, click on Enter to proceed. This action will confirm your input and initiate the next phase of the website creation process. You will then receive a message indicating that WordPress.com can create a beauty salon, spa, or barbershop website based on the information you've provided. This confirmation reassures you that the AI is on the right track in building your site. Next, type in the choice given above. This step allows you to refine the AI's understanding of your requirements further. Ensure that your input aligns with your business focus to get the best results. Once you have made your selection, click Enter again to confirm your choice. This will take you to the next step in the website creation process. A message will appear asking what you want your website to be called. This name will be displayed in the browser tab, so choose something that reflects your brand identity. Type in the name of your site in the designated area. This is a crucial step as it represents your business to potential clients. After entering the site name, click Enter once more to proceed. This confirms your site title and moves you forward in the setup. You will be prompted to provide a short tagline or description that will appear in search results and social previews. This tagline should succinctly convey what your business offers. Type in an appropriate tagline that highlights your services. A well-crafted tagline can attract more visitors to your site. Once you have entered your tagline, click Enter to confirm your input. This action will finalize the description aspect of your website setup. Next, click on Create My Site to initiate the finalization of your website. This button confirms all previous inputs and requests the AI to start building your site. You will see a message saying, please wait, your site is brewing. This indicates that the system is working on your request and generating the necessary content for your website. At this stage, you will need to wait for the generation process to complete. The duration will vary based on your internet connection and the complexity of your site. After a while, you will notice a message indicating that the process might take some time. This is normal and signifies that the AI is still actively working on your site. Once the generation is complete, your new beauty salon, spa, or barbershop website will be ready for you to explore and customize further. You can now begin adding content, images, and other elements to make your website truly yours. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.